Okay, so what we're showing is we just received a rhizome from a friend, and this basically is the kind that you just buy from the store and just you shave it up
So
into
yeah, you're gonna eat
wasabi.
it.
So this is like food grade wasabi rhizome, and you'll see that. What did you do, Angie? You
So it was longer, but this was been in the fridge for a couple weeks, at least on our half. Like I don't know how old it is from being shipped and all that, but there was some mold at the bottom, so I shaved that off. Because
But on our half, weren't there roots on our half?
no, same
Really?
thing.
It was this flat?
No, same thing. There was mold on the bottom of ours as well, and I had to cut it off because my logic says root rot
Right.
if that happens. But I'm not experienced with wasabi, so I don't know. But that was my logic. But you can already see this one's been in the fridge for 2 weeks. It's growing leaves, and I can see a lot more coming in. So hopefully this worked with the other one, so we'll do the same thing.
Okay.
But this is coconut husk.
Okay.
And all I did was throw rock in the bottom of a pot that it's gonna sit like that. It's gonna come out over the rocks, but you'll have at least 1.5 to 2 inches at the bottom because you want the bottom wet but not soaking the root.
Right.
That's what I was thinking. So I threw rocks in the bottom. And then I placed it at the right height.
Okay.
And then I started to mix rocks and coconut husk. I had to mix it pretty good. So then it gets some water in there, so the coconut husk will keep it somewhat moist.
But as far as we know, the real key to getting wasabi to grow is you keep the water moist, but you don't want the roots itself soaking in any
wet.
water.
But it does want to sit in running water.
Yeah.
Now I could feel a little bit of like mold on these leaves, so hopefully they'll be okay. I'm gonna take what I can off. But. Get mites. Now the other one didn't have leaves, and after I did this, it did grow leaves. So I know it's doing okay. And then just make sure the top is rocks because I don't want the dirt to flow, the husk to flow away. And then I made sure it sat at the right water level in the pond so that it maybe came up an inch. The water level would come up to here. So then it would go up into the coconut husk and keep that moist. But I think it likes the cold and the running water.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go and
Put it in the pond.
yeah, let's put it in the pond.
The water. We won't have to work at soaking it up at first. That'll come off in the pond. Is it about the same height as the other one?
As long as the husk is moist. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at this one. This is the one that we were surprised how well it did.
Yeah, it's growing leaves. Didn't have any leaves.
Didn't have any leaves when we first did this. It was about a week ago, right?
No,
Because we did it just before we left.
Yeah, we did about a week ago.
So just a week ago, and now we have leaves growing on this bad boy. So is that good enough?
I think so. I'm going to test the depth over here because I had it over here. Yeah, it's about the same.
Okay. Because if the husk is moist, it'll draw the water up as it dries.
Yeah, I think so.
Because the husk is doing all the work.
Yeah. We'll check it tomorrow. Make sure it's getting moisture.
Alright. Okay. So we'll check it in a few days. Actually, we'll check it tomorrow.